Subscribe to LAVIN Love and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my updates when I upload a video.
You'll be able to see good changes like smooth, soft, and glowy skin. Hey guys, welcome back to LAVIN Love. So today's video is about a luxurious homemade bath powder which gives you a polished and glowing skin. And once you start using this regularly, you probably may not buy those expensive body washes or face washes from outside. And a big money saver too. Almost maximum ingredients used in this bath powder are easily available in the kitchen itself. Firstly, we'll see the ingredients. We need turmeric, dry orange peel, rice, dry rose petals, red lentils also called as masoor dal, green gram, neem powder and Bengal gram. So preparing this bath powder is very simple. Just need to add all the ingredients one by one, that's it. So now into a mixing bowl, adding 1 cup each. Firstly, Bengal gram, green gram, red lentils, neem powder, rice, dry rose petals, dry orange peels and turmeric chunks. There's no fixed measurement, but as you saw here, I just used 1 cup each, that's it. You can reduce turmeric as it will leave a bit yellow stain. You need to mix this all and blend it into fine powder. That's it. Your luxurious bath powder is ready. This smells heavenly. You can mix this bath powder with plain yogurt, tomato puree, rose water, or even with water. And to use, wet your face or body. Apply this and massage for few minutes and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or even more if you have time, and wash it off with warm water by slowly scrubbing. No need to use soap as you may not get good results. You can use it every day and within a week you'll be able to see good changes like smooth, soft and glowy skin. You can store this up to 2 months in an airtight container. But make sure you don't let any water into it as the powder will get spoiled. So do give it a try without fail and don't forget to comment. Also share it with your friends. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell and follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, where I'll be posting some interesting stuffs apart from this. Also check out my website. All the links are provided in the description. See you all in my next video. This is Lavanya winding up. Thanks for watching. Bye.